A $400 home inspection can save you $40,000. Here are the 9 red flags that should make you walk away, or at minimum, renegotiate hard. In fact, a single major issue can cost up to $100,000 to fix, making that initial $400 investment a drop in the bucket. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers navigate the home inspection process. You will learn how to identify major red flags, what to look for in a home inspection report, and how to negotiate with sellers after a home inspection reveals major issues. What is a home inspection? A home inspection is a thorough examination of a home's systems and structures, typically costing between $300 to $1,000. It's a crucial step in the home buying process, as it can reveal hidden issues that can cost up to 10% of the purchase price to fix. Foundation problems, what to look for. Foundation problems can be a major red flag, with repairs costing up to $30,000. Look for signs of foundation damage, such as cracks in the walls and floors, and unevenness in the foundation. Roof inspection, what to expect. A roof inspection can reveal major issues, such as damaged or missing shingles, which can cost up to $10,000 to replace. A typical roof inspection costs around $200 and can take up to 2 hours to complete. Mold and electrical issues, what to look for. Mold and electrical issues can be major health and safety concerns. Look for signs of mold growth, such as black spots on the walls, and electrical issues, such as flickering lights. Mold remediation can cost up to $5,000, while electrical repairs can cost up to $2,000. Negotiation tips, how to use a home inspection report. A home inspection report can be a powerful tool in negotiations. Use the report to identify major issues and negotiate with the seller to fix them or provide a credit. On average, buyers can negotiate up to 5% of the purchase price in repairs or credits. Conclusion. In conclusion, a home inspection checklist is a crucial tool for first-time home buyers. By following this checklist and being aware of the potential red flags, you can avoid costly surprises and negotiate a better deal. Remember, a $400 home inspection can save you up to $40,000 in the long run. Don't forget to download our free home inspection checklist in the link below and subscribe to our channel for more first-time home buyer tips. In our next video, we'll be covering the top 5 home buying mistakes to avoid, so be sure to click the link to watch it now.